Bunny Camper, and today I am playing Roblox Will You Weather. I am playing it by myself like always, and I don't know what's going on. So let's see. Next read this. Have an accident hoverboard or have a hoverboard? Let's try this. Let's see which one we got. Oh no, I would not want that. No, let me go. No, I picked the wrong one then. Okay, how do you get off of this thing? Oh, I'm flying. I am flying. I don't know what's going on. I am stuck. Can I get out? Can I get out? No, I cannot get out. Okay, now I can. Perfect. That was, wow. Now here come back to music. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be a zombie. I mean, a skeleton. Okay. Oh wait, this is a zombie. I thought I went to the skeleton. Yeah, I'm gonna dance. Can I dance? Can I dance? Let's do this. Yeah. Gotta go with the dance. They don't know what they're like. What is wrong? He messed up my dancing. Mommy. I want brains. Okay. Will they change our character back? No. Oh, I want my character back. 3, 2, 1. Play Minecraft or play Roblox. I'm playing Roblox right now, so let's play Minecraft. I wish I reset real quick, but then the timer gone off. Oh my gosh, they really made a Minecraft character. And they got the Minecraft music on. Wow. This is new. This is sweet. Why I can't move my legs though? Hello, Roblox people. Roblox people. Hello. Nobody even talking. Oh, there's no people. Hello, hello, Minecraft people. Hello. Oh man, back on Roblox. I love Minecraft and Roblox. They all both my same favorite. Okay, so say be a wolf or an eagle. Eagle. I love dogs, but I want to see how an eagle is. And by the way, eagles can fly. See? Let's fly up, guys. Oh, somebody add me. Oh, of course I will add you. Let's go up. Whee! This is the best day ever. We got them wolves. Ha ha ha. You can never get us now. We never coming back down. I bet you all the eagles are trying to fly up. That's like all they're trying to do right now. Woo! Okay, that's all. Boop. Oh, too fast. Skydive. 2, 1. Be a dog or be a cat. I said I like dogs, so I'm gonna be a dog. Woo. Let's see who like dogs more than cats. I'm a doge. I'm a doge. This is. Oh my gosh! Wait, this is my question. Can I dance as a dog? Can I do that? Can I do that? Can I dance as a dog? No, I can't dance as a dog. Oh. Animals party. Woo! Yeah, dance everyone. Yeah. Oh no, I don't want to turn. Wait. Oh man. My round, I did round. It made it. Have a big feet or have a big head. None. But I'm gonna pick. Which one? Oh. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? I can't even see my eyes. You can see her eyes? You can see her eyes, but not her mouth. Oh my gosh, she don't got big feet. She got big legs. Look, his face is down to his mouth. This is weird. This is not. No. You no. You. No, that don't. Help me. Why do some of these people got big legs? Ugh, I'm gonna reset real quick. That was disgusting. Okay, guys, I just reset it. Some people didn't reset, and I'm doing it right now. Be heavily equivalent or be down a lot. Okay, no. 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 Dang, those people want me Donald Trump. Oh. Oh. Look at that face. Oh my gosh. So look, they made Handy Clip look so beautiful because she is. Donald Trump, not that much. And some of these Handy Clips. Oh, she died. He. Oh my gosh. I just noticed them hairs don't change. That's what we said. And they feet. Everyone jump in his head. Play Roblox or play Minecraft. I'm gonna do Minecraft. I like Minecraft. I'm gonna try to play sometimes though. Okay, so everybody head and feet changed it. Why is not my feet moving on Minecraft? No, I want my feet to move. So, like that person. Like their feet moving. So let my feet move. See. Oh, they talking Spanish over here. I don't understand. Okay, come on. Okay. The guest dancing. Can I dance? Let me dance. Before you change me. Oh, you can't dance at Minecraft. Wow. So rude. Okay. Be Sonic or be Mario. I like the Sonic, but I just like Sonic because he's fast. I like Mario and Luigi, but cause look at this. But I play Mario more than I play Sonic more because my brother used to play it. No, we don't play that much no more, but we try to. I never played Mario in my life, so yeah. Woo! I think the Mario's trying to go fast. This is how fast y'all should go. Woo! Every Mario trying to jump and like, wow. No, I can't change. No, Sonic, no. Why you have to leave me? I want the claw or players. Oh, the crew. This is the crew. Okay, I still say. Wait, what? Wait, what? The claw, the pals. I don't get it. Oh. Oh, I didn't know which one is which. So, you Carl. You Sketch. That's Carl to, Alex. I saw Alex. Still got Alex. What's everyone else? Woo! I love beating suckers on this map. Pixel or DreamWorks? I am gonna try Pixels. I don't even know them anymore. Huh? Oh my gosh. I'm Wally. This is so cute. Oh, Shrek is killing Wallies. He killed Wally. Don't kill my people. Move it. Shrek? I'm Wally. This is so cool. They is killing Wily. Is he trying to? No, I'm gonna stand on you. Can I stand on you? No, let me stand on you. Yeah, let me stand on. Come here. Hey, no. Oh man. Wally. Oh, you ain't. No, I love all my Wally friends. My Wallies. Okay, be famous or be rich. Be famous because you can kind of be rich at the same time. But I'd rather be famous. Like make people know me than. Oh my gosh. I'm still rich. She got the whole gold outfit. Everyone else has got the hat. I think they loading it. I don't know. I don't know. Look how famous I am. Yeah. So cool. I don't know who this is though, but I'm famous. I like my hair. This is candy. Y'all wanna eat my hair? Rich and famous is the same, cause if you famous, you're rich. Why does everyone come? No, move it. She just came and body slammed me to her. Be a vampire. I'll be a werewolf. Vampire. Yes. I'm gonna say me one ketchup. Me one ketchup. Try to say ketchup, but oh my gosh, who killed her? Blood. Okay, look at my face though as a vampire. That's not good makeup on. Real of this biting. Everyone, we all. Well, okay. He like a vampire. She like a vampire. Be happy or be sad. To me, I am always happy. You can ask everyone in my family. I'm like the only happiest. I like happy. Oh, look at. Wait, why I'm so fast? I'm not. Oh. Oh my gosh. Ah! I'm so happy I'm jumping around. Whee! I am always happy in my life. I'm gonna reset real quick because I don't like how. Okay, guys, while I reset it, the game started it, so I'm gonna go see what else they got. Okay, so I noticed they got like so many different rooms, so I'm gonna wait till the game. I don't know. Game top and see how good I am with parkour. Oh wait, I didn't think something fell off. Oh no! Okay, I'm not doing that. I can't do it. Okay. Let's get back here. One. Have no gravity! Or have extra gravity! Yes! Gravity is the best! Not the extra gravity. No gravity. It's time to float. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Thank y'all so much. This is so much fun. Hope y'all like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to play me, my name is PonyGamer9. Thank y'all so much. See y'all.